Hey B.O.M Squad, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing my curly hair routine. I know, another hair video. So I'm going in with the Natural Hair Line by Cantu. And some of these products I've used before, some of them are new to me. But I'm just taking out my hair, and I honestly hate when I have to wash my hair backwards because I hate when hair gets stuck in my
booty hole. It's a booty hole, booty hole, booty hole. It's a booty hole, booty hole, booty hole. It's a booty hole, booty hole, booty hole, booty hole. Swing the remix guard. It's a booty hole, booty hole.
So I first like to detangle my hair with this Goodies. I honestly don't know what brush it is. It reminds me of the B.O.M B brush because it works just as good, and I think it's cheaper. So I just like to detangle my hair. I don't usually put any detangling products in my hair. I just wet my hair and just start combing it out. My hair was really nappy, so I had like a lot of shedding, but this brush really gets my hair detangled. So the first product that we're going in with is the Cleansing Cream Shampoo, and this is a thick shampoo. Like, you know how most shampoos feel like a more watery base? This feels like a thick, you see how thick it is, a thick base, but it gets the job done and it gives like a deep clean. So I really like to focus the shampoo mostly in my roots, but also on my ends. I know a lot of people say that you should focus it more on your roots so your hair won't dry out, but this shampoo did not dry my hair out. It has no sulfates in it, and I think the thickness, because it's a cream shampoo, it keeps the moisture locked in your hair. So I just like to scrub my scalp and massage my scalp to, you know, stimulate some hair growth. So the conditioner I'm using is the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. This also doesn't have any sulfates in it. I don't think this entire line has sulfates in it, which is good for the hair because it's not going to strip your hair of any moisture. And I like this conditioner because it made my hair super soft even when I washed it out. So I'm focusing this conditioner mainly in the center of my head because that's where my hair is the most dry. I don't know why. Maybe because I don't know if it's the way I sleep or like lay on my head, but the center of my head is super dry. So I just like to leave this conditioner in and, you know, wash the rest of my body. So we're just going to tie my hair up and then get to it, girl. Poof, and we're done. So now I'm just wringing out my hair, and I wanted to go in with the t-shirt method for drying my hair instead of a towel because I heard this was better for your hair because the cotton doesn't frizz your hair too much. So typically I like to use my styling products in the shower because the best way to prevent any frizz is to make sure your hair is soaking wet. Here I'm just drying off a little bit of my hair because it was a little too wet and I wasn't in the shower. So the first thing I'm going in with is a leave-in conditioner. This is the Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and this stuff smells so freaking good. Like, all of their products smell so good, but this one smells amazing. So I'm just putting this throughout my hair, making sure every strand is coated with the leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with the coconut curling cream. This is my holy grail styling for curly hair. I've been using this product for at least, how many years now? Like 3 years, and this is like, I tried to switch up my hair routine, but I always end up coming back to this. So I'm just making sure that every strand is coated with this product. This product isn't that thick, but I like thick products because I have thick hair and it makes me feel like it's penetrating my hair follicles, honestly. But I'm just going through and making sure everything is coated. But I'm also going to go in with my faux B.O.M brush just to comb through my hair and making sure that the product is distributed evenly throughout my hair. You might see some of the product, the white product, every time I comb, but that's okay because if this this lets me know I have enough product to prevent my hair from frizzing. And don't worry, it's not going to dry white. So this is my first time using the Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. All the other products I use besides the shampoo and conditioner. So this product is a cream gel, so it's not going to leave your hair flaky and white, but it is going to lock that curl in so you don't get a lot of frizzing. So I'm doing the same method. As you can see, like, I love to comb the product through my hair, making sure that every strand is saturated with product. So I do like to help my curls out just a tad by scrunching them up, especially on the left side of my hair. The left side just does not, it's not my friend. It does not F with me. Like, it has its days, I swear. But now I'm just going to lay down these baby hairs in a couple right now. Okay, so we're going to do it now. So now I'm just laying down these baby hairs. So I'm going in with the Gorilla Snot product. I like this product because other gels are too oil based, and so they don't really hold my baby hairs down. They just leave it oily. So I really like this one because it holds it down. And to me personally, I don't get that crunchy feeling that people be talking about. So this is my go-to baby hair product. So I do like to spritz a little bit of hairspray on my fingers and just working that on the baby hairs so they can have a little bit extra hold. So taking my blow dryer, I don't own a diffuser, so if you don't own a diffuser, your blow dryer works just as well. So I like to go in with my blow dryer on low heat but the cool heat setting. So I'm holding on to the cool setting and I'm just scrunching my hair and drying it at the same time. So I like to tilt my head over and blow dry my hair this way, only to give my hair a little bit more volume because I don't have any type of shape to my curls. My curls are just one length, like I don't have a diva cut. So this just helps me get a little bit more volume. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this curly hair routine. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and join the B.O.M B Squad. Don't forget to hit that bell icon notification. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys!